So we have come back again to do the second test of similarity, and the second test we have taken it as SAS, test of similarity. Now let us see, the two triangles have come up. You can name it from the triangle diagram, triangle APQ and triangle ABC. We are separating it out also. It can be two separate triangle given to you, or it can be given to you one inside the other. Why? Because they have one vertex common between them. A and A are common between them. So if you search for the one-to-one correspondence, so A vertex of both the triangles are corresponding to each other, then P corresponds to B and Q corresponds to C. Now they have given you the measurement AP in triangle APQ. Length AP is given to you 6 centimeter. AB of triangle ABC is given 12 centimeter. Then AQ of again triangle APQ is given 4 centimeter, and AC is given to you 8 centimeter. Then we have two angles marked. If you see in both the triangle, the two angles are marked with the identical sign, so they are congruent. Now let us learn how to write that. In triangle APQ and triangle ABC, we have angle PAQ congruent to angle BAC because common angles. Second one, we have AP upon AB. We are finding out ratio. So as you can see the value 6 upon 12. So we can reduce them by 6 one time and 6 two time. Then substitution we have got and equals to 1 upon 2. So that means they have given you the value of AP and AB. We found out the value ratio of AP upon AB. Second one, we are finding out the ratio of AQ upon AC. So now we will going to substitute for it. 4 upon 8. The reasoning we will give substitution. Now we will going to simplify. 4 one time, 4 two times. So we got answer equals to 1 upon 2. You will find that AP upon AB also value is 1 upon 2 and AQ upon AC also value is 1 upon 2. One more thing you have to keep in mind, these two ratios value we are finding out from the given values what is given in the question. We have not assumed for ourselves. These values are given. Same way you have to take the value what is given to you in the question and then find out the ratio, and then you can say that triangle, see here, AP upon AB equals to AQ upon AC. You can see the right side of statement number 2 and 3, they are having same value. So we can say left hand side AP upon AB equals to AQ upon AC from 2 and 3. Therefore I can say triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC by SAS, test of similarity. Clear? So see you, be safe, and see you with the next video.